Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm so grateful that you decided to join in and plan with me today. So in this video, I will be planning for the week of March 29th through April 4th, and I plan to use some spring stickers. So if you want to see what I do, you already know. Stay tuned. Okay, so jumping right in, I have my spring sticker book, and you guys, I love the seasonal sticker book, so I'm super excited to pull this one out this week. And here's my spread here, and these are the stickers that I've pulled so far, and I love this color palette, y'all. It's like all of my favorite colors on one spread. You guys know I love purple, and I thought that these florals would go perfectly. For every spread that I do in April, I want to like incorporate some floral stickers and just try to do some mixes with them. So here's my first time going at this idea, and I have this long sticker, and I'm going to place it down the middle of the right hand side of the spread, and then I have this double box sticker that I'm going to place on the left. I tend to do this from time to time. When I do have a larger sticker, to balance it out, I'll choose another larger sticker to put on the other side of the page. It creates a center of balance for me. And I am just readjusting this a little bit on that side because I felt it would look better, a little bit further down, just for my checklist that I plan to use it for. And if you don't have like another box sticker that's kind of bigger, you can use two like regular boxes, like full boxes, and just layer those. That looks good as well. But I did have this double box sticker, so I wanted to put it on the other side. And I have this pattern sticker, y'all, and the colors, like, I love the colors. So I'm layering some quote stickers on top, and this one says hello spring, which is a spring spread. And y'all, when I was planning for this week and I was just pulling stickers and stuff, I just saw this color palette. It spoke to me and I just went with it. But I didn't even think about Resurrection Sunday being Sunday, so it's like but I had already pulled it by this time that I thought about it, so I was just like, we're gonna go with it because it's still kind of like that color palette for this time of the year, this season, this holiday. Okay, so I am going to do something, a little bit of sticker surgery, and I'm going to trim off this quote at the top of this box, just because I feel like I don't necessarily need it. It's throwing me off a little bit, so I'm gonna trim that. And y'all, don't be afraid to make your stickers work for you. Like, y'all know I will cut a sticker, I will slice it, and just make it work for the vision that I have. And I just really wanted another larger purple box just to balance it out, and that one was what I found, and I pulled it. And yeah, you can always use your stickers in different ways. And don't be afraid to turn your stickers around and stuff. So I just kind of been playing around with ideas and stuff like that to do. And this sticker here, I did another layering just to balance also. It says time to bloom. And these colors, y'all, these colors. Okay, so now I have a full box sticker that I'm going to put down on in between Wednesday and Thursday. And then I also have one that I'm going to put on Friday, to notate some things I got going on. See, Monday of this week, I will be coming back from Miami. And so technically I have some to-dos, just some finalizing things that I want to put down, and just some stuff that I got to put down, like flight and stuff like that. But this, for the most part, this spread will be kind of like a catch-up week for me, so I'm trying to make sure that I put some functional stuff in. Now, I found these washi strips in this color palette, y'all, and y'all know I love the little washi sticker strips just because I feel like they complement the stickers, and it's like nothing can go more perfect than the ones that actually go with the stickers. And so I pulled those and go ahead and lay those at the top so I can see it. And then I have this sticker here, and it says, this is around the time where I realized, I don't really have like something catered to Resurrection Sundays. And the word joy, it speaks faith to me. So I thought about that sticker, but I was like, what, Kenya, you're fine. Let's just roll with what we got. Okay, we're just gonna roll with what we've already pulled. And I'm just doing some searching. I'm just gonna search through, and I find some checklists So I thought it would be cute to layer them on top of these larger boxes. I tend to do this from time to time. I know when we normally put a box down in our planner, we'll just write like one event. But I thought, sometimes I do pull my checklist stencil out and I'll add some check boxes. But this time I wanted to use an actual like checklist, sticker. So yeah, I think it's cute. When I put it down, I was like, oh yeah, that'll work out great because, Tuesday I probably have a lot of things I need to do, like unpack, laundry, stuff like that. And then here I do have these like labels, and I thought about putting those because if you notice where I cut that sticker at the top, it did like go into the purple, but it doesn't bother me, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm just gonna let it be, hey, whatever. And I'm trying to find just other little layering things that I can add in my spread. I like to layer things over, and I'm just, finding other little elements. Now I pull up this sticker because it was crooked to me. So, and I'm just gonna lay it back in the same spot, but just try to like straighten it up a little bit. And I go ahead and put this label down in this checkbox because, it kind of divides the box up for me, and I like doing it. I love when I can kind of create my own little design with something. So I added some labels. Well, a label on Monday, and then I add one on Thursday, and I'm just trying to fill it out, trying to find ways to make more little checklists because like I said, I probably will have some things I need to do for this week and catch up on when I come back and stuff. And I'm just planning in case I want to go ahead and have it done, so that way I'm not like trying to get my spread together. Also, I want to add in my florals, you guys. So it's like, now I didn't pull the florals like I normally do, but I went ahead to pull them at this point so I could use the wax paper to see where I want to lay them. And I thought about like connecting them. That's another tip you can do: connect your boxes and make like long clusters and stuff in your spread. And these are paper florals. They're not the clear ones, so I didn't have to use any whiteout or anything with these. But I did want to pull several ones because I wasn't sure which ones would actually work in the little spaces that I have on this spread. So I'm just kind of trying to see what will look best where. And so far I love these florals. These are some of my most favorite florals, y'all, and I like that one right there. So we're gonna place that one on Tuesday, and I'm gonna pull my little slice tool, and I'm just gonna cut it to make it look like it's going behind the box, because I do have that checklist right there, so I don't want to really cover that part up. So yeah, and I think that looks nice and neat. So, and it just adds something to the spread, y'all. Florals do that. Now I moved that label again, and I'm trying to see, because I'm like, do I want a floral on top of that box in that space? And if I do, that label won't look right there. So I'm moving it around. That's the beauty of wax paper. You can do that. You can do it with wax paper. It allows your stickers to be removable, but still allow them to adhere to the page to where that they will stick and stay. Now I love this floral right here in this spot. I think it brings some of that blue down there too. And then I'm trying to figure out where I can place one at the top of this page. Friday, I feel like the best spot is on the left side of that box. So yeah, I add another little teal floral there, and now I'm just gonna cut around and do some sticker surgery. This one was a little bit tricky because I did have another layered box there. Probably ideal though would have been for me to lay my floral sticker down first and then put the boxes down, but I actually enjoy doing sticker surgery, you guys. So I don't know, it's like a thing. I like actually cutting up the stickers, figuring out ways to make them go behind each other and stuff like that. So I don't know, I enjoy this process. But if you want a simpler way to do it, definitely lay your florals down first. Actually use your wax paper and layer your boxes with your florals first. But yeah, there it is. And now I'm just gonna clean that side up along that layered box, and it's working out. Me and my little X-Acto knife and my slice tool, we get the job done. Okay, isn't that cute, y'all? That is so cute. Those florals, these florals are everything. Okay, So now I'm gonna see what else I can layer at the top. I do love this Best Year Ever sticker book. It's kind of like the old school seasonal sticker books, but just kind of like a different color pattern. And I'm trying to make sure that that little cluster, but I'm like, I don't really want to do a cluster. I want to give like a stem floral look at the top since I have a cluster at the bottom. So that's what I went with there. And I'm trying to pick this one up so I can lay this other little stem down and like have it go. And then we're gonna make it all nice and neat. And I'm going to see where else I can place one. And I really think one would look better right here. So I'm gonna pull that label up and I'm gonna clean that side of that floral. So it makes it look like it's going behind the box. And y'all, these paper stickers, they can be a little bit harder to me. It's a little bit different when you're dealing with clear stickers versus paper stickers. But I don't know if I have a preference. Let me know below if you have a preference between paper florals or paper stickers in general versus clear stickers. Which one is your favorite? Because I don't know. I feel like I find uses for both of them, and they work. And I feel like with these florals, I love that they are paper for some reason. Now I have this little bitty floral cluster with two like stickers here. They're not stems, so I feel like it'll be a good spot. It's not too big, to cover up too much of Wednesday and take up my writing room. So I placed it on Wednesday, and I'm gonna cut a little bit off of it to give it that neat behind the box look. And yeah, bam, there we are. So that makes me happy. So now I'm just surveying my spread and trying to see what is what. I do need to add back my labels. So Thursday looks like it's about to be the jam. I'm gonna move Saturday though and put that one on Thursday. I actually switched those because of what they say. One says today and one says remember. And I know on Saturday I actually have a baby shower to attend. So I wanted to make sure I remember that. I mean, it didn't matter. It really didn't matter. But I don't know. I guess because I saw today on the other box, and I feel like there was today, back to back. That black part on that box says today versus this one on Wednesday says noted. Y'all, it's the little stuff. Like, it's little tedious stuff that you don't even... Do y'all do that? Am I the only one? I just did it. So there it is. Now I do have these little flag stickers, and I want to place them on the box just to give me some extra little room to write. I do write like little events or little like reminders in these stickers, so I like to have those on my spread too. And they also help add in some of that color. Now I do have my checklist here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add in some checklist boxes on Monday because I know that'll help Monday out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add them on Thursday as well. So now I'm looking at Saturday, and I do have that checklist. I love that checklist in the box, so I don't think I need two checklists there. But before I move it and try to figure out where else I can put it, I'm going to see what I need to put on Sunday because, of course, Sunday is, Resurrection Sunday. So I want a box there that can, where I can notate that. And I'm just going to try to figure out. I don't have to actually use a box though, because I can write it in the actual bottom part of the lower box because, like I was going to do. But I decided to see how it looks. And I'm going to go ahead and put my labels at the bottom. I put a to buy label at the bottom of my free space so I can make myself a little checklist of stuff I need to buy, like go get some groceries. And there's a few other things, like I need to pick up a baby shower gift and stuff like that. And then I do have another label on Friday, and I'm going to make me a little checklist for Friday. I'm just giving myself a lot of functional, get it done, Kenya, because you have just gotten back from vacay and it's time to just, get back into the swing of things. So that's what this spread is all about. And I'm super glad that I have this super cute motivation to get me going. So I pulled that box up because, I don't know. I didn't like the colored box. I felt like it was taken away from my spread in a sense. So I'm still just looking and trying to see what I can put here because I do have those two bigger events. And I find these blue boxes, and I felt like I could put one on Sunday for that specific reason, for definitely for church and stuff. We actually have a church service on Saturday too. So me and my husband, we probably will go to that after the baby shower. Not 100% sure, but and then I will probably visit my home church on Sunday. When I say home, I mean like my hometown, the church I grew up in. I'll have to travel a little bit, go see my parents and stuff like that. So I want to like put some stuff down so I can notate that if that's what our plans end up actually being once I get ready to write in my spread. So I, of course, tried to balance it out on the other side of the page, and which is fine because Monday has a spot for it, and I can't actually, write in, my flight time or, me checking out of the Airbnb and stuff that we got, or whatever I feel like I need to put there in that spot. So I'm liking how it's looking though. Even though that other color box bothered me, for some reason these seem to bring it together. That's so weird. I don't know if it's because the outline of these boxes are thinner and that one was thicker. I don't know. But yeah, now I just have a couple of more labels that I want to lay down. And that's pretty much it. I am super satisfied with this spread, you guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts about the spread. Leave any tips or tricks below that you may have. And thank you so much for being so sweet and so kind. And until next time, love ya. Bye.